welcome back to my channel, and y'all already know what to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way in and of course on your way out. Good morning. It's currently 8:49 and I am waiting in front of the Verizon store. Y'all, my window is dirty. Please do not, I need my car clean. Anyway, I am in front of the Verizon store because I am upgrading my iPhone 13 today, hopefully to an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So that's like the goal for today. Came yesterday and I talked to someone and they basically said I can get everything done today. Cross my fingers. Guy told me, he was like, yeah, we open at 9, but you might want to get here at 6:30 because it might be a line. It's no line. But anyway, I'm happy there's no line because I got here at like 8:45. I planned on getting here at 8:30, but I had like a couple things to do. So after we leave here, I'm gonna go to Best Buy to get a screen protector. I already ordered a phone case through Amazon. That's at my house. Then once I get home, we'll do the whole unboxing thing. I've never done that, so I'm super excited. Actually, I did the unboxing with my camera, but with a phone, I've never done it. So I'm super excited. The reason that I'm actually upgrading, there's two reasons. The main reason is because I got this phone and I got it because the color, and I typically always get the Maxes. Like whenever I get an iPhone, I always get the Maxes because they're bigger phones and I love bigger phones. I got this, I was like, oh my god, they're coming out with pink, I just gotta get it. Well, the pink only came out in the regular 13, which is okay, like it fits my hand fine, but I just really love the bigger phone. And also content, guys, content. If you guys haven't watched my last video, make sure you go watch my last video. We got it. The bag is secured. So Best Buy doesn't open for another 30 minutes. Go to Dunkin', but the line was wrapped around the freaking store. And surprisingly, the Starbucks line was not that full, maybe because it's still early. So like I said, Best Buy don't open till 10. So I'll talk to y'all a little bit when I get in the Best Buy line. I'll show you like the box and all that stuff and explain to you guys what I did, because I had two options, but yeah, so I'm gonna explain more once we get in Best Buy parking lot, and then we go from there. Now in Best Buy parking lot, we are waiting until Best Buy open because I gotta get a screen protector. But so we got it. So it's the 14 Pro Max. As you guys can see, it's a big difference from my other phone because my other phone's smaller. Two options I had, because with my iPhone 13, I had traded in my iPhone 11. I think I had 11, I don't really know what I had. I think I had 11, I don't know. So I traded in my 11, and when I traded in my 11, I end up getting, basically what you do is you get credit for that phone off your phone bill, because I have Verizon. So I did that with my 13. So for my 13, I could have early upgraded, and then I would have just been paying like regular on the phone, or I could have paid the phone off, and then I would have my new phone to have credit on my new phone. The phone was already paid off, I think like 50%, or I'm paying the phone off. Trade-in value for the 13 is basically gonna go on my 14 Pro Max. And yeah, and I got really lucky because I guess they only had a certain amount of Pro Maxes in the store to begin with. And me and another girl that came in, like she was standing right in line in front of me. Thank God she didn't want the size I wanted, but she got the more gigabytes than I did. So basically we both got the only two gold Pro Maxes in the store. They do have other like gold Pros, but they don't have the Pro Maxes, so I'm happy about that. Now we're at Best Buy so I can get my screen protector. I already ordered a phone case off Amazon. That came, I want to say like yesterday, not yesterday, yeah, yesterday. I think it came yesterday. Whenever day it came, it came. If the guy who helped me never went to grab my phone off the back, like if he would have never said, hey, what phone do you want, I bet you somebody would have took it, which I'm glad he did. Like, great customer service to you, Verizon. People are like standing outside of Best Buy in a line, and I'm like, I'm glad that's not the problem I have anymore. Open in 2 minutes, so yeah, we're gonna go in there. I don't know if I can record on Best Buy. I was so scared that they were gonna tell me in Verizon like, hey, can't record in here. So I did minimal recording to where they couldn't really see. So Yeah. And we about to go to Best Buy, so let's go. I got the screen protector, I got the screen protector. My case is at home. I got my Starbucks. Going to go home so we can unbox. I just want to make sure I'm pushing this content for you guys well. I'm really trying to be a better content creator. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. As you guys can see, I'm home, but I'm not in my house. Yeah. So we gonna take out what we got in this bag. So the first thing we got is my case, which I got from Amazon. I already told y'all that. So this is the case, and it's just a clear case. Like, it's not anything special. The case not nothing special. It's just a clear case. I went and got this screen protector. Then we got the phone. Once I set this phone up, since it's eSIM, like I said, it's gonna take, like, once I start, I can't stop. I'm not expecting any phone calls. I'm not expecting, like, to go anywhere. I'm home. First thing first, let me bring y'all a little closer. This is the box, guys. Are y'all excited? Ah! Yes, Mario, so shh, shh, shh. I don't even know what I'm telling y'all. Shush, I'm the one talking. Hey, already. Okay, the next one. Let me show, put the camera down so y'all can see. Let's open it up. Oh, it looks like a lot more gold, like on the camera. I feel like y'all can't see how gold it looks. I was really hoping that it looked the way I thought it would look, because I never had gold. I told y'all that, like, I never had a gold phone. Look, like, I don't know why it don't look that gold, but y'all, this is like, look at the comparison though. I'm gonna set this right here. Charger box, y'all know we don't get that no more, so I'm not expecting it. I feel like mad people are, but for what? Because y'all know that we ain't getting it. Before we like turn the phone on and set it up, I want to put the screen protector in the case on, because you'll never know what could happen in between that. So yeah, this is a Zag screen protector, which basically means like it's a lifetime warranty. This is gonna help me put the case on, and then this is the contents of it, and then this is basically explaining the lifetime warranty. We haven't even took off the paper yet, so that's what we're gonna do now. This is another ASMR. Y'all ready? Purr. So now you can peel this part off, and everything should be lined up well. This is it with the screen protector on it. And now, since the screen protector's on it, I'm gonna just wipe it one more time. Then pop the case on. There's no stick. Is there adhesive in here? No. Oh, my dumb self. Why would you do that, Nande? Okay. Okay. So as you can see, I popped the case on there. And then now I'm gonna peel this part off. You can really see the gold, but like, I don't know how to show you the gold, because I don't know if it's like my angle that I'm with. Let's hold it and we can watch it turn on together. Okay, do your thing, Apple. Stop playing for real. Yeah. Hola. Hello. Basically what the guy said at the store is I have to connect it on Wi-Fi because it's eSIM, so that's what we're about to do. You can see I look different. First of all, it's cold. It's $2.19, and as you guys can see, I am now using this phone as my primary phone. It took me a minute to do all this. Okay, so now y'all should be able to see for real. As y'all can see, this is the always on display. Like, y'all can still see my phone even though it's locked. So I'm about to do this, and now y'all can see my phone for real. So this is the wallpaper I went with. And I really like that design. As y'all can see, I put love yourself on the front because I always want to remind myself, like, love yourself first, girl. And then I put my alarm and then the weather. This is how I end up doing my lock screen, y'all. I was gonna do like the whole decorating thing, but like, I don't like that whole shortcut thing where you gotta go to the shortcut first and then it go to the page. I don't really have time for that. That's very annoying. But yeah, so far I really like the phone, and I really like that update where it now shows you the battery percentage. And I also like this part up here because yeah. And then I put my face up there because why not? You the baddest, be alive nowadays. Stop playing with them. I separated my apps into, like, as you can see, games, shopping, like editing photos, food, my finances, social media. That's just regular stuff. And then that's like my Flow app and my chart, y'all. If you don't know about my chart, you obviously doing something right. And then I got my phone, messages, FaceTime, and music. And then I have that all on one page because I don't really like clutter in my phone. So yeah, that's that. This is the phone, and y'all, it's really like, I really love it. And as you can see, like the gold hits really well. I'm gonna kind of clickbait this title, but it is what it is. Thank you guys so much for coming with me and watching me get my phone. Y'all didn't really watch me get my phone, but y'all see me like put on a screen protector in the case, so I guess that count. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. Before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video, y'all. Like I said, I really do. So yeah, me and my iPhone 14 Pro Max Gold is out of here. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.